Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change language Microsoft Bing in computer. So how to change language Microsoft Bing in computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Bing through the browser on your computer. Here it is already on the initial display of Microsoft Bing. To change the language in Microsoft Bing, just point the cursor to the top right of the screen. Tap the three-line icon here. A scrolling menu will appear. Select the Settings menu. And select More. Well, here it is in the Settings menu. Here there are many menu options. Tap the Language menu. Well, here there are many country options. Tap See More Language. For more country language options, scroll down to see more country language options. Well, there are lots of language options. Select one of the countries to be changed. For example, I choose China. Here it will automatically return to the initial display menu of Microsoft Bing. To see it, I will search in the search. Well, you can see here it is changed to Chinese. So that's it, the tutorial how to change language Microsoft Bing in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.